In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Business Profile, a simple yet crucial task for managing your online presence. Whether you're updating business information or responding to reviews, accessing your profile seamlessly is key. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to business.google.com. This website acts as the central hub for managing your Google Business Profile, and you'll find all the necessary tools in one place. Once you've reached the site, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a sign in button there. Clicking it will prompt you to log in with your Google account details. Make sure this is the same Google account linked to your business profile to ensure you can access all the features available to you. In some cases, you might already be logged in due to previous sessions. If so, you'll be automatically directed to your business page, saving you a bit of time. If you're manually signing in, enter your email and password as prompted, and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard once authenticated. There is also an alternative method to access your business profile. If you're navigating from Google Search, you can also manage your account. Open Google Search and type in either your business name or simply My Business. As you scroll through the search results, you should see a section titled You Manage This Business Profile. This section is only visible to those who manage or own the business, so rest assured it won't be visible to the public or other Google users. In this private section, you can see your business profile. If you click on View Profile beside your business name, you'll be seamlessly routed to your profile dashboard. This serves as your command center for all things related to your Google Business Profile. Here, you can edit business details, respond to customer reviews, and gain insights into how your business is performing online. It's important to regularly check your business profile to ensure all information is correct and up to date. Consider this profile your digital storefront that can make the first impression on potential customers searching for your services online. Hence, having seamless and frequent access is essential. With these steps, you should now be comfortably navigating your Google Business Profile with ease. Remember, consistent management of your business's online presence can lead to better engagement with your customers and ultimately contribute to your business's success. Thanks for joining today's guide, and I hope you find it helpful as you connect with your customers online.